My name's Ellison and I'm the Avery Dennison Specialist Trainer here in the UK, and we're here today at the brand new AD Wrap Centre in Burnley, north of England. We created the AD Wrap Centre here to teach people both theoretical and practical parts of installing our films correctly. And for this section here, we've got the various different van panels where we'll be teaching you the correct installation methods for digital print and colour change, and get you guys really hands-on and practical with the products. And on this side of the Northern AD Wrap Centre, we've got various architectural films for floors, different walls and glass substrates. And here behind me we have the classroom area, and this is where we'll sit and go through all the theoretical parts of the training programmes. And that's a wrap. We hope to see you here soon at the Northern AD Wrap Centre.